Today, we are following two brothers from the Bin family as they go into the forest to build a shelter on a 1,000-year-old ancient tree. This is an old oak tree. The two brothers begin searching deeper in the forest. Here, they have found an ancient tree. It is an oak tree over 20 meters tall. First, the two brothers start installing wooden steps from the bottom up to the top. One person collects small branches while the other installs them. A ladder structure gradually takes shape. It has reached about halfway up the tree. They are nearly at the top of the tree. Just a little further to go. They hammer nails firmly to secure the wooden planks to the tree trunk. They have now reached the top of the tree. They begin clearing and cutting away obstructing branches. One brother goes down to transport small wooden beams from the base, then carries them up to the top. Safety ropes must be tied securely. Then the small wooden poles are tied together. The person below pulls them up like a pulley system. The person above holds and stabilizes them. Once enough materials have been brought up, they begin placing the beams onto the main branches at the top of the tree, arranged one by one, to form a floor platform. This will later become the floor of the shelter. Each section is nailed down tightly as it is placed. Next, wooden planks are laid on top. They are also firmly fixed with nails. Any excess sections are cut off. Now, they begin building the walls. Wooden walls are built around the platform. This also serves as a viewing deck. Horizontal beams are installed for stability. Then a frame is constructed, which will later support the roof. Everything is nailed down tightly, so it does not fall. This area is still not fully sealed. This section will be covered by the roof. Bring that board over to me. That wooden plank there. This is the window section. This wooden board is attached here. Covering this wool surface, the roof is layered in a sloped style, so rainwater can flow down easily. This area becomes the porch. Sitting here to enjoy the view is truly wonderful. Please stay tuned for the next part.